and we can say that I want to schedule this content for let's say 3 p.m. or 3:15 p.m. So I'm going to show you the brand new feature that Instagram just released that finally allows us to schedule reels on Instagram, especially if you're trying to be more consistent, grow your following on Instagram. This is a pretty helpful tool because we can finally schedule reels from our phone without having to rely on the Meta Business Suite. So in this video, I'm gonna break it down for you. I'm gonna show you how to do it step by step. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Lester Diaz, and in this channel, we talk about making money with social media, growing your following. So if you're into that, consider subscribing. As you guys know, Reels are the #1 way to grow on Instagram right now, especially if you're trying to get more followers for your account. So if you wanna gain more followers, you definitely need to be posting more Reels. Not only that, but Reels allow you to also start making money from your account. I have a video that breaks down exactly how you can start making money with Instagram Reels. So if you guys want to check it out, the link is going to be in the description below. But one of the things that was missing was the ability to actually schedule your Reels on Instagram. So if you wanted to post a Reel, you had to do it in that moment from your phone. You can definitely do this from the Meta Business Suite. You can schedule Reels and content from the Meta Business Suite, but let's be honest, it's a lot easier to just grab your phone and just schedule your content for the entire week, especially if your main way of creating Reels is just using your phone. All right, so let me show you how you can schedule Reels on Instagram from your phone. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna open our Instagram app. Once we're inside the Instagram app, we're gonna click on the plus. We're gonna select the Reel we wanna upload and click next. Now we have the Reel we're gonna be posting on Instagram, and of course we're gonna be using the new schedule feature to be able to post this. Now there's a couple new things that Instagram added that are gonna make your Reel stand out a little bit more, hopefully be promoted to more people, which basically means that your Reels might be seen by your target audience. So one of the things that you should definitely be doing is not only adding hashtags to your Instagram Reels, but also selecting the topics. So for that, we're gonna scroll all the way down, and there's a section for add topics. And as you can see, there's a bunch of topics from which we can select maybe 3 topics for our Instagram Reels. And in this case, because most of my videos are about business, social media, making money online, so I'm gonna select these 3 right here. And I'm also gonna select teaching methods. Now what we're gonna do is click on done. Now we scroll all the way down, and as you can see, I have the bonuses Reels play enabled. This is what I was talking about when it comes to making money from your Reels. If you're gonna be posting Reels on Instagram, you might as well make money from them. So you can definitely wanna look into monetizing your Instagram account and be able to make money from your Reels. Facebook pays basically every single month. They're paying bonuses of 500, of 1,200, and sometimes even more. So if you guys wanna find out all about making money from your Reels, make sure you check out my channel. I have a bunch of videos explaining how it works. So what we're gonna do next is click on advanced settings. And now you can see this is feature called schedule content. So we simply turn this on, and we can say that I wanna schedule this content for let's say 3 p.m. or 3:15 p.m. So I'm gonna click set time, and now I can go back, and as you can see, now it says some of your settings can be saved. We're gonna simply click on continue scheduling. And as you can see, now we have our topic selected. We have our Reels play bonuses enabled. And also we have our advanced settings for the schedule of this Reel. So as you can see, it is scheduled already. So now all we have to do is click on schedule, and that's pretty much it. Now you can schedule as many Reels as you want. You can definitely schedule your entire week from the app without you having to log into the Meta Business Suite. So this is definitely a game changer for those of you who want to just create a bunch of videos in one day and just schedule everything out to maintain that consistency. So this is definitely a tool that you should be using if your goal is to grow on Instagram using Reels. Like I said, Reels are being promoted way more. You can definitely gain more reach and more engagement using Reels. So the more you post, the better. So if you have that capacity, if you have the ability to create maybe 1 or 2 Reels a day, definitely do that. Now you can schedule those out at specific times when you know you're gonna get more engagement and more reach. So by doing this, you can maintain that consistency and not miss a single day of posting on Instagram. You can schedule once every single day, 7 days a week, and you can just batch create all your reels in one day if you wanted to. But this is gonna maintain that consistency that is gonna help you grow on Instagram, hopefully gain more followers, and if you're monetized on Instagram, also make money from your reels. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit the like button below if you did. Like I said, I have a ton of videos on my channel talking about making money with Instagram reels, Facebook reels, monetizing your content on Instagram and Facebook. So if you guys want to check that out, make sure you go back to my channel and just start looking at some of those videos that I'm sure are going to help you make more money with social media. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.